Brian Adams here, OnlyWoodFloors, refinishing this old 1950s home in Tustin, California, which they always put the hardwood floor everywhere but the kitchen and bathroom. This entry, they installed plywood, so it was the same level as the kitchen when they installed this cheap laminate. So we pulled up the laminate. Now we're going to pull up the plywood. There's the wood, and it looks like this is the old Bruce LP glue. So they must have had an old, probably a square parquet floor glued down to make the entryway look a little different. But once that plywood is up, the nail holes are filled, we sand off that glue. You'll never be able to tell the difference. You're going to be amazed in a couple of seconds. And just like magic, no more plywood, no more glue, just a beautiful new floor.